My name is Dr. Jane Ngotho, and I'm going to discuss the management of breast cancer. Once you find a lump in your breast and you go to the doctor can investigate whether or not you have breast cancer. There are different ways of doing this. There's a mammography, and the goal is the early detection of breast cancer. This, however, is usually done in patients over 40 or those with a strong family history of breast cancer. The other is a breast ultrasound. This is a cheap and easily available investigation. There's also an MRI. A breast biopsy is another option, and it's when they use a small needle to take a sample of tissue from your breast. Several samples may be taken and sent to a laboratory for testing to find out if the lump is cancerous or not. The treatment of breast cancer has certain steps: surgery, chemotherapy, radiotherapy, or hormonal therapy. The first step and most common form of treatment of breast cancer is surgery. Surgery involves removing the tumor and nearby margins. There are certain procedures in the surgery. It could be a lumpectomy, which is the removal of cancerous tumor without removing the entire breast, or a mastectomy, the removal of the entire breast. When it comes to chemotherapy, this is a treatment method that uses a combination of drugs to either destroy cancer cells or slow down the growth of cancer cells. There's also radiotherapy, which uses high energy rays to kill cancer cells. With hormonal therapy, if the cancer cells have hormone receptors, you may be prescribed hormone therapy drugs such as blockers or inhibitors. Both types of drugs help to destroy cancer cells by cutting off their supply of hormones. The best treatment is prevention, and breast cancer prevention begins with various factors that you can control. For example, you can control your weight, get plenty of physical activity, breastfeed, maintain a healthy diet, discontinue hormone therapy. There is a small percentage of patients who get breast cancer from oral contraceptive pills. Or you can also avoid exposure to environmental pollution. Thank you.